So, hello student. Today I will discuss the third chapter, that is element, compound and mixtures. So earlier we have discussed the two chapters. So from these chapters your chemistry part basically will start. So this is the very fundamental thing. First of all, what is element? So student, element is a substance, that is it is a pure substances which cannot be broken into two or more simpler substance by any chemical means is called element. That means in case of element, so if you want to break it, so in case of simpler substance, by this breaking process, so you cannot get the different thing, you only get the same thing if it is breaked. But experimentally it has been proved that an element which cannot be broken. Okay, suppose that how to understood it is a element, it is an element, how to understood. See, whenever you see the same substance in case of molecule or in case of atom, that time only one atom is, or you can say that the only same kind of atom is present, that time it will be your an element. So among 118 element has been discovered so far, out of 94 are naturally and 24 have been made by chemists in laboratories. Further, elements can be classified into three categories. One is metal, another is non-metal, and a third is metalloid. See, so from these lectures, out of these lectures, what you understood? Element is a substance, it is a one kind of substance, or you can say that it is a one kind of pure substance which cannot be broken into two or more simpler substances by any chemical means is called element, or simply element is the same type or similar kind of atom is present. An element basically exists in two form. One is atomic form, another is molecular form. In both the cases, atom and as well as your molecular form, the similar atom should be present. If the similar atom is not present, that time that will be not your an element. So in periodic table, all are the atoms, that means 118 atoms, all are exist in atomic, or you can say that in elemental state. But in case of molecule, it may be in your elemental state or in a other state, or you can say that different atom combination state. Okay, going to the next thing. So we have earlier we have discussed metals, non-metals and your metalloid. So in case of metals, we know that metal is a lustrous thing which is a good conductor of electricity. It is a malleable and ductile and high melting and boiling point. These are the special characteristics of an metal, So here some listed thing, or you can say that the list of some common metals and their origins. Suppose your sodium, its Latin name is natrium. So in natrium, this is the language, that is Latin, from where the term, that is sodium, and the symbol is comes. Second is your potassium. Potassium is a general name, but the Latin name is kalium. Like your iron, copper, silver, gold, Pb, Hg and your Sn. So all other elements having, or you can say that the have to have some Latin, or you can say that the original name. In case of writing any kind of metal, the first alphabet is always should be capital letter. If that particular atom is a combination of two letter, that time first letter should be always capital letter, and the second letter, or you can say that the third letter, if it be present, then that should be your small letter. Now coming to the point, what is non-metal? Students, non-metal is the opposite character of metal. We have discussed the proper characteristics of a metal, and the characteristics of non-metals are they are naturally in, in lustrous, or you can say that though no lustrous property is there, there is no any kind of luster, that means the surface is dull. It is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. It is a non-malleable substance and non-ductile substance, low melting point and boiling point. These are the characteristics of non-metal. So we know that some of the non-metals are given below, like your hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, carbon, sulfur and phosphorus. So in case of non-metal, there exist in solid state, liquid state as well as the gaseous state. The maximum the non-metal are in a gaseous state and the liquid state. Okay. Remember, for your information, all the gases are act as a non-metal. Now coming to the point, noble gas and inert gases. We know that noble gases are those gases are non-reactive in nature. They are not react to each other. There are the 6 elements in periodic table which are act as a noble gases or inert gases. They are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Now coming to the point is metalloid. So in metalloid, both the properties of metals and non-metals is present. Some of the example of metalloid are in periodic table. Those are boron, silicon, germanium, antimony. They are act as a metalloid, means they have properties of metallic and, or you can say that the non-metallic character, or you can say that these are the substance having the both the metallic character as well as the non-metallic character. Now coming to the point, modern concept of an atom. We know that atom, suppose that we have a iron piece and you break it. So until and unless you are not break it, so you are not able to achieve an atomic state. So first of all you grind one atom and one metal, or you can say that the small piece of iron, and for example purpose, if you grind it, so it will break into very fine particles and which cannot be further subdivided. Thus we will reach a stage when iron particles cannot be further subdivided. That means this smallest particle of iron will still possess the properties of iron. But if iron undergoes the chemical change, then this change must start from its smallest particle, and the smallest particle of an element is called atom. That means the definition of an atom should be the smallest particle of an element which may or may not have in independent existence but always take part in chemical reaction is called your atom. Remember, in higher classes you learn that atom also can be divided into 3 fundamental subatomic particles, that is your electron, proton and neutron. So today I will discuss up to this.